Carowhite and bio oil together for your stretch mark. Now, this carotone is very, very good. This carotone can help to make your dark thighs go away, can help to make your dark armpits go away, can help to make every area go away. It depends on how you use it. I'm teaching you how to use carotone for your dark inner thighs. Yes, we're going to be using carotone for your dark inner thighs. This is like cheap alternatives. But this is a strong bleaching cream. How do you use it? That's what matters. Like my thighs was before. This is how my thighs is now. I don't give you tips that they say. Whenever I see something, trust me. This is what I've used on my skin. I'm not saying what somebody else has used. I have had a bad skin, a bad dark thighs, a bad everything, and I've healed it. And it keeps on reoccurring, it keeps on reoccurring, but I keep on treating it because I have the right ingredients to use in the house. So please follow, please like. So I'm going to teach you how to use bio oil to help to clear that dark thighs. It works, guys. See, I've been using it. I'm a thick girl, so I always have dark thighs like mad. So this is what I used. I'm going to teach you how to use bio oil and aloe vera to treat your stretch mark. You heard me. Bio oil and aloe vera to treat your stretch mark. You walk, your two thighs rubs together and then it starts to be red, and then you have stretch mark, then you have dark thighs. So people even have dark thighs and stretch mark on the same lap. This is what I used. Bio oil, aloe vera, Vaseline to clear your dark thighs. Now, this is how you're going to use bio oil to clear your dark thighs. Now, the first thing to do is you have to exfoliate your skin. You have to use a turmeric sugar scrub to exfoliate your skin. So you're going to get a turmeric like this, and turmeric mask to clear, to bleach that area. Please make sure you like and follow for more. Please make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe, so I can continue, so I can be encouraged, so I can continue to come here and drop life-changing tips. There's a difference between dark thighs chaffing and dark inner thighs. So if you have this, you have this. This is what we call chaffing. This is when two thighs has been rubbing as a result of friction. Your thighs have been rubbing together for a long period of time. Sometimes clothing, sometimes it could be a jeans. Like last month, I got like dark thighs again, because when the thing gets red, then before you know it, it starts to be dark, and then it becomes dark thighs. You're going to be using this just 2 times a week. Start from twice a week, then after 3 weeks and you see if it's improving, then you increase it to 3 times a week. Now when you are treating your dark thighs, any hyperpigmentation, be patient, my dear. The hyperpigmentation came in a day, but it's going to take like 3 to 6 months for it to fade off effectively. Now I'm going to be using this for my dark thighs alongside with bio oil or olive oil, any body oil that you have. So you're going to take this, then we're going to put in a drop of olive oil so that it will not react on your skin. It will not be too harsh for you. So when you do this and then you apply this, my dear, that dark thighs will be gone. Make sure you do this twice a week. Be consistent. Like I said, you have to bleach your dark thighs. Your both armpits. First thing to do is you have to prep the area. Not just take a bleaching agent and put like that and put like that. No, you have to prep the area. So prep the area with rose water. Prep the area with glycerin. Apply this first on the area. Then you go in with this. This should be your second step. Then your moisturizer is your third step. Do this at night. It's much better to do it at night. And then when you're going out in the morning, please wear a tight. Many of us, we don't wear tights around the house. You cannot be treating dark thighs, and then even if you're at home, you need to wear tights. Don't ever allow your two thighs touch each other. You're going to be doing more harm than good, because you're trying to treat it and you're using all this lightening cream. It's going to start getting red. Do you understand? So what you have to do is that Whenever you're treating dark ties, always wear tights around the house, or walk with your leg like this. Walk with your legs open around the house. Because sometimes we only wear tights when we're stepping out, which is bad. The Queen Mother here, Vaseline can be used to cure your dark ties, your dark armpit, your dark nails, and also your hands. Queen Mother of all skincare. Wow, because it is very hydrating and it is an emollient. So let's go straight to the point. You're going to be using Vaseline and turmeric for your dark inner ties. So this is a bonus tip. This is like a mini mask I make in the bathroom. So I just apply turmeric Vaseline and apply it on my ties, and then I wash it up after 20 minutes. So if you don't have time to do this, just apply Vaseline after every treatment. After using your Carowhite, apply Vaseline, or even when you don't use Carowhite, just apply Vaseline. Vaseline is going to help make it go faster. So tell me, what should I talk about next in my next video? Bye.